Hi, it's Tuesday Friday with FIXITGEARWARE-SECURITY, and today we're demonstrating just one tool. And this tool is a tool that is suitable for forensic investigators, those who are hunting for jobs, who intend to know more about the technology stack of an organization. So for this tool is much better if you have the intention of finding much information about various organizations you're seeking for a job via a job search. Also, with this tool, you can locate information about an organization's employee who are on LinkedIn or have an account with LinkedIn, and also get information about them, their hierarchy, and their position in the organization. So without wasting much of your time, let's begin. Today's tool we're demonstrating is Inspy. Inspy is a powerful tool that every forensic investigator needs to know. Pen testers, job hunters, and bug bounty hunters alike. This tool offers the ability to search an organization's employee who are on LinkedIn to profile them and know more. It also offers the functionality to track an organization's technology, and this also will be able to help you as a job hunter to know what that particular organization you intend to apply for a job is all about. So for example, if you're trying to apply for a job in Tesla, you can decide to use Inspy to spy about their technology and possibly do more research about how you can provide solution on their technologies. To use this tool, you must set up a hunter.io account, and to do so, you have to head to hunter.io to sign up for a free account to be able to obtain an API key. The limitation about hunter.io for the free API key is that you have to also sign up with not just an email, but also to provide a LinkedIn account. So we'll be demonstrating the comments on how to use this tool, but you probably would not see the result because we are having the limitations of setting up a free account. Using our official LinkedIn profile is not advisable to do such. So if you are interested to use this tool and its powerful functionalities, then I suggest you sign up for a hunter.io API key. And our documentation also on how to use this tool is different from what is officially listed on Kali's website. So let's demonstrate this tool. To use Inspy, although we've already installed this tool, we have to demonstrate how you can install it on a computer. So you do sudo apt install Inspy and you provide your password. So we already have it installed, right? And to check the documentation, you just say Inspy -h, and all the documentation about this tool will appear. However, to use Inspy, you have to use their custom word list. Currently, it serves 2 custom word lists in their repo. So you just do cd/user/share/inspy and you hit enter, then you click ls. Now these are the word list directory. So you say cd to word list and you ls, so you can see this is the entire word list, the large.txt and the title list small.txt. So we can just clear this to have a better view. The next thing you want to do is, let's open a new terminal here. To use Inspy, all you just need to do is, sorry, we're working on some stuff here. So to use Inspy, all you need to do is, let's say cd to desktop. The next thing we want to do is to say Inspy -h. Now here is the argument if you want to use Inspy, of how to use it, and the various options and output file options. So basically these output file options is how do you want your file to be output. Is it HTML? Is it CSV? Is it JSON? Is it XML file? So let's say we want to spy on Tesla's technology, right? As you can see, we have 2 files here, right? The title list large.txt and title list small.txt. And if you go here to the documentation, so if you want to discover about employee's title and department, then you have to use the word list title list -small.txt. And if you want to check about technology and additional information, then use title list large.txt. So let's say we want to check for Tesla, right? What we do is say Inspy. Okay, sorry, we're in our desktop because we want to keep the file here. So we say Inspy. Then we say dash domain. Okay, for the domain. Then we say Tesla. And we'll say, before we do that, we have to copy the word list. So the word list we want to use is this, right? The large.txt. So we do this, copy selection, and we paste selection, paste clipboard. Okay, so we'll say dash domain, we'll say Tesla, then we specify the output file, we'll say dash HTML. Then what's the file we want to call it? It's okay, Tesla.html. Now, when we hit enter, if we have our Hunter API configured in this Inspy software, it's gonna scan connecting through Hunter.api and to get every information about Tesla. You can also put Tesla.com, or you can also put just Tesla and allow Inspy to do its stuff. So if we hit enter right now, you can see it tells us there's an error, and it tells us where the error is from. It says line 36. So basically why this error is because it's trying to call the API key for Hunter.io, which is part of the source code of this software. So since it could not locate the Hunter.io API key, then it throws this error. So if you have your Hunter.io API key, all you just need to do is just to go to this directory. You say cat user share Inspy, and you hit enter. And as you can see, this is the source code of the Inspy software, and the line that is throwing that error is this place. As you can see, it's trying to call the Hunter.api key here, but there's no Hunter.api key. So if you have a free account with Hunter.io, just go there and get your API key. Then you come down here in this place, in this line of code here, you just edit here using Nano. You can also use Nano to be able to configure this, but I'm just showing you here. You can see this is where the Hunter.api key here can be. So we can go back here, and if you have your Hunter.api key, so you just come down here and you say Nano. Instead of cat, you say Nano, to use Nano, and you hit enter. Now if you come here, you just insert your Hunter.api key. As you can see, it's already here. And once you install or insert the Hunter.io API key here, then you can go back and run the argument. So that's it for this week. It's just a simple tool, and feel free to explore the rest of the argument. If you intend to use other information like providing email, just go through the arguments here. We're supposed to demonstrate this, but we're having issues trying to sign up for Hunter.io using a dummy LinkedIn account. It's not accepting that. So if you have your own LinkedIn account and you think there is no need for you to be afraid of using your legitimate LinkedIn account to create a Hunter.io account and have a free access to their free API key, then there is no problem. So that's it for this week. If you find this video interesting, do the normal stuff, which is giving us a like, subscribing to the channel, click the notification bell to be the first to get notified when we publish another episode. Also, regarding Tools Friday, due to the nature of the various tools we'll be churning out in terms of the content, we are going to narrow it down to just one tool per week, and we are adopting this method because we want to ensure that whatever tool we are publishing to let you know about the tool to be in depth. As you can see, most of these tools, when you check, most people don't know about it because they don't know how to use it, or probably because of the difficulty configuring certain information about this tool. So that's it for this week, and we hope to see you next week, another Tools Friday with FIXITGEARWARE-SECURITY. Bye for now.